I think it's important to look at Miura Group's founding philosophies and core principles: energy, water, and the environment. We have a long history and tradition of focusing on developing not only products, but the expertise and the solutions and the consultation with our customers around those three subjects. And we pride ourselves in being a partner with our customers around all three of those areas in a sustainable way.
One of the biggest things when we talk about sustainability is burning less fuel. In Japan, they started out doing it that way just because it made economic sense right from the beginning. When the first boiler was developed for Miura in Japan, it was developed to be space-saving and very efficient.
You have to remember that Japan is an island nation. All the fuel that they burn has to be brought in by ship. Very small country, population density is extremely high. 90% of the country is uninhabitable due to mountainous terrain. Technology then that's developed in Japan is driven to be small, efficient footprint and ultra high efficient.
We've kind of continued that tradition. We've gradually brought that mindset to the US. Space has become a constraint. Emissions are obviously a lot more important now, so we're able to wrap that in and continue that.
We're really proud of the fact that our boilers are made in the United States. Recently, we underwent certification through the Georgia Department of Economic Development to become Georgia made. To be considered Georgia made, at least 50% of your finished product needs to be manufactured in Georgia. Miura takes it a step further, and whenever possible, we source locally. Electrical components, steel, motors, that's all coming from the communities that surround us. We are cutting down on emissions, we're cutting down on shipping costs, but also there's a social aspect to that, and that's that we are reinvesting in our community.
In 1960, Miura introduced a design of boilers that's a modular, once-through, small footprint boiler that really offers a lot of advantages. The smaller footprint, the fast response allows us to do a modular array, which is scalable for our customers as their steam needs change. They can add or reduce capacity over the life cycle of the product and the life cycle of their operations. So right there's a significant efficiency savings or energy savings. Saving that energy is directly tied to reducing the carbon footprint of the plant, not only increasing the efficiency.
Efficiency and emissions are very closely related. When you have a more efficient boiler, you use less fuel, so it's cheaper in the long run, and you produce less emission.
Because our boilers are safer by design, it protects the boiler operator from catastrophic failure, protects the community surrounding the facility that the boiler is in.
So by having that safer design, you can also achieve higher operating efficiency, which then leads to sustainable operations and improvement of the bottom line. Continuous monitoring of our products since 1987 has given Miura an incredible data set, and that technology has allowed us to really then analyze that data set, maximizing efficiency, improving reliability, and reducing emissions. We're now beginning to leverage that remote monitoring technology with a product called Miura Connect that not only is continuously helping us to optimize the customer's operations, efficiency, reliability, but we're now beginning to capture fuel usage and emission data for our customers, which is becoming very important for their initiatives to reduce carbon emissions.
When you look at it holistically, the whole boiler room, you've got opportunities for efficiency losses, potential for leaking steam traps, you've got potential for failed pumps, failed valves. All of those can contribute to a lack of efficiency or an improvement in efficiency, depending on how it's applied. From a complete solution standpoint, we really try to make sure that everything in that boiler room is geared toward giving you the steam that you need with the least fuel used. And that's not just the box around the boiler, that's the whole system.
If you look at just the boilers as an isolated product, then you're really missing opportunities to maximize your overall system efficiency and sustainability. Miura prides ourselves in being a solutions company and a life cycle partner. We want to be there for the life cycle of the product, continuously optimizing not only the boiler technology, but the system as a whole. That's when you can really then achieve the highest level of operational efficiency and ultimately carbon reduction and sustainability.